Right, here we go then with another one. We're in the Cotswolds today. We're on Bredon Hill, 981 feet. Let's give it a whirl. Yeah, so we're on Bredon Hill today, and it's an Iron Age hill fort. It was abandoned after the after a battle during the 1st century, also known as Kemerton Camp. So yeah, just on the ascent now. Lovely day. Too steep part. Little Bredon Hill geology fact: mudstone, limestone and siltstone, dating back to the Jurassic Age. From the Roman age. So you like the shape, kind of like an elephant. There you go then, that's the summit of Bredon Hill. That's another one done, quite windy. I'm going to attempt the drone, but wind's really picking up now. Bredon Hill. That's known as Parsons Folly, that is. And it was built in the 18th century for a guy called John Parsons. He was a squire of Kemerton Court, which is like a large stately home around here. And it was built as a summer house for him, 18th century. It's a mobile phone kind of tower now, used for communications. Parsons Folly. Yeah, about 25 to 30 mile per hour winds up here. Managed to get a touch of drone footage, but God, it was all over the place. Anyway, in the far distance there's that's the Malverns, that is, the Worcestershire beacon. It's the highest point. Do you remember Pinnacle Hill? I don't know if the other month. That's Worcestershire beacon and Pinnacle Hill in the distance. Worcestershire's largest ever Roman hoard was found here only back in 2011, including 4,000 Roman coins featuring 16 emperors. Imagine finding that. Well, I wish I had. Spring has sprung. Glorious though. Been an SSSI since 1955, Bredon Hill. And believe it or not, it's one of the most important wildlife areas in England around here. It's also a Marilyn, 492 foot prominence. Oh, spooky tree. I'll call that tree. A lot of artists, composers, musicians have written about Bredon Hill. Real endless list. He was really prominent in the English Civil War as well, around these parts. The Reeking is the parent peak of Bredon Hill. It was a bit hazy up the top, so couldn't really make it out, but yeah, parent peak, the Reeking. St Mary's Church. That's it, then I'm all wrapped up with another one. That was Bredon Hill. So see you next time. Cheers guys. That's not bad, nearly 6 miles. We're about time and a half. It's fucking time in a turd. There's the mole. God, no mole, yeah.